Where are you going? Where are you going, baby? Baby, you gotta let him catch you at some point. Scout, I see you, buddy. I see you. Here comes your baby. Come and get the toy, Liam. Good boy, Liam. Not the safest way to go, but you're doing it. Good boy. You made it. You're okay. It's only 2 steps. You did it, Bubba. You did it. Yeah, just keep walking.
Did he take a header and you filmed it?
A little bit. Yay! Bonk. That's a dog toy. I'm going to throw that for the dog. We're going to play with this. Baby toy. Look at you. Oh, you touched him. You got him. And you're climbing stairs. Awesome. Oh. Good job, baby. Good job. Game over, I think. You alright? Baby, are you alright? Yeah, you're fine. Go get Berber. Yeah, this is a fun game. Up the stairs. Oh, Jesus.